Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to start a print-on-demand t-shirt business without using Shopify. Now, I've been a print-on-demand seller for several years now, and I've actually chose not to use Shopify, Printful, Printify to sell my print-on-demand t-shirts, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining why. Now, beyond showing you the couple catches that come with doing print-on-demand this way, I'm also going to put you on screen recording and show you the other websites that I use for print-on-demand that make the whole process so much easier. So if you're interested in starting print-on-demand, this will be an extremely helpful video. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so switching over to the computer here, the first thing I want to explain is why I don't use Shopify for print on demand. There are four main reasons here. Starting with the first and most obvious is that if you are using Shopify, the first month is only $1, but then after that, you have to pay at least $39 per month just to have your Shopify store live. This is going to be a fixed cost whether you are selling 100 t-shirts or 0 t-shirts. You still have to pay Shopify. The second reason is that in order to do print on demand on Shopify, you need to use a print-on-demand fulfillment service. Now, this comes in the form of an app on Shopify. Most commonly, you're going to see Printify or you're going to see Printful. Those are just two of the largest ones, but there are literally pages of print-on-demand fulfillment services. Now, using an app like this is totally fine, but it brings me into the second reason why I don't use Shopify in general. When you are using any of these print-on-demand apps, what most people don't realize is that every order that you receive, you have to pay for that order up front. On the other print-on-demand websites I'm about to show you, the customer pays for the whole order and you just get a split of the profit afterwards. Now, on top of that is the third reason why I don't use it, and that is that by using Shopify for print-on-demand, they are not going to bring you any traffic or any buyers. If you're using Shopify, you are just creating a website in order to sell print-on-demand t-shirts. However, the other websites that I'm about to show you are full-fledged marketplaces that are getting millions of people coming, searching through all of the t-shirts, picking out which ones they want to buy every single month. And then lastly, the fourth reason is that if you are using Shopify for print-on-demand, you yourself have to handle all of the customer service. This is something that just starts to take up more and more of your time as your business starts to grow, whereas on these other print-on-demand websites, they handle all of the customer service for you. You don't even get involved in the customer service, we're just the ones selling these designs. So now that hopefully we are on the same page as to why Shopify is not actually the best for print-on-demand, now I want to show you 3 websites that I really do recommend using. These websites are all entirely free to use for print-on-demand. The customer pays for the order up front, so we don't have to. They bring in their own traffic and buyers, and they handle all the customer service as well. So the first of these websites is Amazon. What so many people don't know when they're getting into print on demand is that Amazon is the largest print on demand website out there. So if you go to the search bar and you type in gardening t-shirt, I'm just using this as an example, give that a search, you are going to see all of these results listed in the marketplace on Amazon, just like any other listing. And what so many people don't realize is that this is print on demand. So if you click on one of these, whenever you see this little label right here that says Amazon Merch on Demand, that means that the person that created this listing and is selling it only uploaded the design, and Amazon is doing everything else for them. So when a buyer comes in here, finds this shirt, they choose what color, what type of shirt they want it printed on, they choose the size, and they add it to their cart, they can purchase it just like any other product on Amazon. But Amazon is going to go pick out the shirt in their fulfillment center. They're going to print your design on it. They're going to ship it out to the customer, and they're going to handle all of the customer service. So when you add all of this up, this individual design has sold over 50 times in the past month. That's about $5 profit per sale. That's about $250 in profit from this single design uploaded on Amazon's print on demand. In my experience and my opinion of the overall print-on-demand industry, this is such a better way of doing the business. Now, you may be wondering, how do you become a print-on-demand seller on Amazon? Well, it's totally free to do. Just look up Amazon Merch on Demand. Once you find this page, this is basically their application page. So you just click sign up here, you fill out their application, and that's it. It's totally free to do. Now, something else that a lot of new print-on-demand sellers don't know is that although you can upload your design onto Amazon, you are absolutely allowed to upload that same design on other print-on-demand marketplace websites. So Amazon, being the largest print-on-demand website, is not the only print-on-demand website. So here's another one that's very reputable, another one that I really recommend. It's called Redbubble. So if you search for the same thing, gardening t-shirt, you will see that this looks very similar to Amazon, except Redbubble is specific to print on demand. So every result you see here is just somebody uploading a design. When you click on one of these, it's going to show you the same thing. So you can pick out what type of shirt that is printed on, whether you want just a classic shirt, a premium shirt, you can pick out the color, the size, and you can add it to your cart just like that. So again, Redbubble, totally free to create an account on. You can upload your same designs on Redbubble as you can on Amazon, but that's not where it ends. There still is one more website that I recommend. This one is called TeePublic. This is going to be the same setup and the same layout as Redbubble. So when you give that a search, all of these results are print on demand, and you will see that it has a very similar look. Now, something that's actually interesting is that TeePublic is owned by Redbubble, but they get their individual traffic. So somebody might find your listing on TeePublic, another person might come to the internet and find it on Redbubble. It's just going to give you more exposure by uploading your listings on multiple websites. Now, with all of the information that is out there on the internet, I personally am always someone who wants to see the proof. I want to know that something is credible before I start putting my time or investing any energy in it. So although I've been doing this for a long time, let me just try to show you some overall proof on this. TeePublic overall, which is the smallest print-on-demand website that I just showed you of these three, when you look at their traffic, they're getting about 1 million people to their website every single month. And that is organic traffic. So that's no paid ads or anything. Those are just people naturally coming to their platform from finding your listings in the search results on Google, on Bing, on other search engines. Now, looking at the other two here, just for reference, when you look at Redbubble, they get about 10 million people to their website every single month. And then Amazon, when we look at that, they get about 750 million people to their platform every single month. And the important thing to know here is when you create a print-on-demand listing on Amazon, it gets listed just like any other product on Amazon. It's not hidden anywhere. It's not in another subset. It's listed directly on their marketplace. If you want to be a seller using these kind of websites instead of creating your own Shopify store, running your ads and doing all that, it's actually extremely simple. So just come to the homepage, go to create an account. All you have to fill out here is first name, last name, email address, set a password, and then click create an account. Now, once you do this, it'll just have you verify your email address. And then just like that, you are going to have a seller account where you can start uploading your designs. Just to show you exactly how easy this is, I'll get logged into my account and I'll upload a design. You can see it in real time. Okay, so once you're logged into your account, the create account will switch to upload art. Just click that button. Click single file upload if you're just uploading one design right now, or if you have a bunch to upload at once, you can go to multi-file upload. Once you've clicked that, just click on upload your file right here. Select the file off your computer and just give it a second to upload here. Just like that, you're going to see your file right there. You can come down here and you can add in your title, description. What I would recommend here is just use the keywords that are in your design. So gardening, because therapy is expensive, and then just copy this, put it down here. That's going to give you a very simple description. And then go to main tags. We'll do gardening. And then just to show how easy this is, when you click down on supporting tags, it's going to give you recommendations. So just click on garden, click on all the things that are relevant to this design, and basically fill this up. I'm going to click all the ones that are applicable here. Does this include mature content? No. Come through here, pick our default colors. I'm going to keep this on a white shirt by default. I'll set it as black for the hoodie because white is not offered. And we'll go to black and white over here. Just like that, we now offer it on a t-shirt, a hoodie, a tank top, crew neck, long sleeve shirt, etc. all the way down here. We can pick what colors this is going to be offered on overall. So when someone comes into the listing on TeePublic, they can pick any of these colors. I'm just going to unselect the ones that make it a little bit difficult to read, like green on green. And then we'll scroll down here. You can then additionally offer that on stickers, phone cases, mugs, wall art, a bunch of different items here. All you have to do is click I agree to the terms and click publish. And just like that, we have created a listing that is live on TeePublic. This is the design that we uploaded. This is the title and description that we put in here, the colors it's available on, the different types of shirts you can purchase it on, sizes, and then someone can add it right to their cart. Now, I know we just went through that at a really fast pace, but I just wanted to show you how easy it was. For those of you who want to see how to do this step by step, explaining each step here and going along with you, I will link the full print-on-demand tutorial that's here on YouTube as well. That is an extended video that's going to go really in depth and show every step of the process to use Amazon Merch on Demand, Redbubble, and TeePublic. So guys, I hope this video has opened your eyes to the other way of doing print on demand that turns out to be a lot easier. If you have any questions at all, just let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please just give it a thumbs up. That's all I ask. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I will see you guys all in the next video.